Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download multiple PDFs from Google Drive. All right, let's begin. First, open any browser on your device and go to Google Drive. Log into your account using your Google credentials. Once you are signed in, locate the folder or area where your PDF files are stored. To select multiple PDF files at once, click and drag your mouse across the files you want to download. You can also hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each PDF individually to make a custom selection. Once your PDFs are selected, go to the top menu bar and click on the download icon. Google Drive will start compressing all your selected PDFs into a single zip file. This zipping process may take a few seconds depending on how many PDFs you are downloading. Once the zip file is ready, it will automatically begin downloading to your computer. When the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder, or wherever your browser saves files. There, you'll find the zip file containing all your PDFs. Just extract the zip file, and you'll have access to all your downloaded documents in one place. So that's basically how you can download multiple PDFs from Google Drive. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.